Hey guys, it's Karen. Today I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be my unboxing for a hair company on Amazon. The store is called QAngelaBeauty. They recently reached out to me wanting me to promote one of their wigs, so I of course said yes. And here I am going to show you the wig straight out the packaging and also give you my first impressions on what I think about the wig so far, and possibly tell you my future plans for it. So let's just get started. Because I have Amazon Prime, it came in a Prime packaging, and I just took it out of the Prime packaging, and this is how it looked on the inside. I'm missing this Ziploc bag, and then on the inside of that Ziploc bag is this satin bag right here. It's like a goldish color, taupe color. It's really pretty, has a logo. And then once opening the bag, the wig is inside, also with a wig cap. This is supposed to be a 2-pack, yeah, 2-pack wig cap. If you guys do the bald cap method, this would work for you. This is the wig. I got my wig in 24 inches, their body wave wig. Let me read to you guys what it actually says on their Amazon page. This is QAngelaBeauty's 180% high density lace front wig, human hair body wave glueless wigs for black women. Lace closure wig, Brazilian virgin hair 4x4 lace fronts wigs, pre-plugged bleach knots 24-inch body wave wigs. Basically it's a lace closure wig in 24 inches body wave. All that I just read, that's literally what's in the title of their for this specific wig, and they have it in different lengths. They have 24, 16, 18, 20, 22. So basically if you want anything longer than a 24-inch or shorter than a 16-inch, they currently don't have it, but maybe they'll add more in the future. This wig is currently priced at $150.30. Amazon does now have taxes, so maybe about $160 something you'll pay in total. If you have Prime, of course, you will have free delivery. Today is Saturday, and if you order it today, you'll receive it by Tuesday. So I did actually already look at the wig before, so the curl pattern is slightly messed up because I was kind of running my hands through it. But it comes in this, says 24 inches. It has this little thing to hold the shape of the wig, and it comes in a hairnet. And then straight out the packaging, you can see the curl pattern, body wave. Once washed, this will probably go away, but all body wave hair is not really going to keep this pattern, so that's really realistic. So far with me running my fingers through it, it's very soft, not getting any snags, not seeing any shedding really. Well, I just got one piece, one strand. This is what the inside looks like. Hopefully this unit is able to fit my head, because normally with a lot of machine made units, they are not able to fit my head, which is why I make my own wigs. This looks like transparent lace, 4x4, just a machine made wig. It's not, doesn't really look pre-plugged. Well, slightly, kind of slightly pre-plugged. But yeah, I'm not quite sure what I want to do with this hair. I might dye it a color, I don't know, or I might just leave it black first, see how it works with the black, then I might add some highlights or bleach the ends or something. I do want to try to bleach the knots to see how well they bleach. I will probably make a video on that. Let me see. The inside does have straps for you to connect it in the back in case you want to make the wig tighter or looser. Does have, let me see, 1, 2, 3 combs, one right here, and then one in the center in the back, for a snug and more tighter fit. I personally will probably not use them, but in case you guys like to use combs, they have some already included for you. So yeah, that's pretty much my unboxing slash initial review of this hair. This is a 4x4 lace closure wig from QAngelaBeauty on Amazon. I will leave them linked down below. They also have like other things on their Amazon store in case you guys want to go check them out. But yeah, so far this seems like a good quality wig. Hopefully it does fit. I'm kind of skeptical. I will definitely be making more updated reviews with this unit. Hopefully you guys enjoy this unboxing slash initial review, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.